Hi, I'm Ian from Impact Off-Road, and behind me we've got two Daihatsu Hijet S510Ps. One to my right has been kitted with our standard 23-inch off-road kit, which includes the bull bar, all the ATV tyres and wheels, the flares, spotlight on the top, and set, ready to go for farm. The one on my left has still that same kit, which is the 23-inch off-road tyres on it, but we've custom made and designed a specific stock crate for the client. Both of these are going to the South Island. We do deliver in the South Island. We also have workshops that service our vehicles in the South Island. This one here is going to Blenheim, and this one here is going to Harwoodin. So come and have a chat to the team at Impact Off-Road. We've been doing this for over 2 decades. We know what we're doing. We specialize in this, and we can also do custom builds. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.